Ka Women's Wing jong ka National People's Party NPP hakas balang jong katayo kala Pynrem juri ki riushim kabu ki bala persyang ban penmensaw yu Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukanrat ke sangma hakala asking uplay hanong ba tura. Ka President jong ki NPP Women's Wing ka kong pi nong plu habe akren ba kinong pathay kubor kala ong ba ka seng ka Pynrem juri ki riushim kabu ki bala persyang ban penmensaw yu Myntri Rangbah ka jala bat kane ka jing thombor ka day ka bala don jing tmu bat pen kre lapa bat ka day ru ka buj politics jong no ban penmensaw yu Myntri Rangbah ka jala. Kalaong bakani kicing thombor kalong kebam sengoya hap setia namar bo Myntri Rangbah ula sim kiada ladi banyak kendu bat syong jingalang bat kiken hun seng balang kibadon ni kimat jing dawa bat ban sengap bat syak skor dia ka jing dawa jongki. Kino yalam ke Women's Wing kilo ong ru baka kam thombor bat ban penmensaw yanu kam dai setia kalenti ke balak ban weng ya kanu ke jing e bat kila kentu ki pat ba bat ki kenhun bakim dai ban penmi ya kum kini ki jingkol mar ndrai ban shim de kilenti ke bajai ban weng ki jing e da ka baya kran da ka jing e sungtu jingmut.
From the NPP Women's Wing are deeply concerned about the violent attack to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Condemns, and other members who are also present there with him on the 24th July 2023. The anguish of we the women to observe such hatred and rage is tremendous. Violence and harming others is not the answer to solve any problems. When our Honorable CM was present in Tura to address the issue of concern, he was prepared to listen and discuss with the various groups, and also he has options to address on various matters that are being demanded. I urged the youth and the energetic members of different communities to redress their dissatisfaction in a peaceful and harmonious way.